amazing way of being able to make a heart from a piece of paper, which works rather well. So I'm going to direct the camera down. You've hopefully coloured in your strip at the top there. Right, so I don't know what the quality will be like of this, but hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So there's a strip here. Now all we have to do, I think, is just fold along there, do it nice and precisely. So I'm going to turn it over and bring it back. I'll be also love to see your beating hearts as well. So if you're with origami, the idea is to do good strong folds. So can you see there, I've just folded along that line. If you've done a good strong fold, then you should be able to tear it. So obviously definitely have it down on a nice flat hard surface, and if you do a little tiny nick there, you should be able to tear it off. I notice it's quite small, but it will end up being a sort of life-size heart, and it actually works better than a large heart. There we go. So what I want you to do next is turn it over to the blank side, and I want you to fold it in half. So simply take the sides and fold it over. Take your time, be really nice and precise. Hopefully you can always pause this video and go, oh, what's she doing there? There we go. So we've done a nice halfway line there. That could be the septum maybe. So we're going to take a side. You probably want to make sure you've got it the right way up. So it'll be this way up. Take the side and bring it up as a straight line. Can you see there's the halfway line there? Bringing it up so it matches up. And in a way, this is a piece of engineering. And in a way, that is exactly what the heart is as well. So taking the side and again, matching it up. It's not, hopefully it's not too difficult a piece of origami as well. I think it's rather effective. And it's rather, I think it's rather lovely in a way. David Petty says, sadly passed away, but he created this and it's been passed on from one to another. How lovely is that? How lovely to be remembered through a beating heart. So we're going to turn it now to the back. And what I want you to do is to take the side and bring it up to that midway line. So there we go. Can you see the heart now is beginning to appear? Again, taking the side, folding it to that midway line. Hopefully your colouring in has made it look even more interesting. Like so. So it looks like a heart, but it looks a bit pixelated. Let's maybe soften it. So the side you could just fold round, tuck away. That's all you're doing. Just slightly softening up those points. There we go. And then the same at the side there. Right, at the moment it looks quite like a heart, but it's not beating, so we need to be able to make it a bit more so it can actually move. So the back here, you've got this interesting shape. What I want you to do is to take the side and to fold it along this middle line, like so. I'm just going to do that on one side and then do the same on the other side. We're almost there actually, believe it or not. A very neat piece of origami. There we go. And then if you open up those little flaps, and if you take the middle, and I want you to bring it down, tuck in the sides. This is always a bit hard upside down, but can you see I'm tucking in the sides, and what I'm trying to do is make a little point there, and it will be a little handle. You'll see in just a second. Can you see you're aiming for a little point there? And hopefully, we'll find out whether that works. Hopefully that should be your heart. So what you need to do is hold this, and you should be able to squeeze it like that from the back, and it will make it beat. And it also has a bit of a noise to it as well, which really does feel like the heart. So I hope that's worked for you. I hope you've been able to make a nice healthy heart there. Well, one side of it's not so good, but we know that pathologists would help get it better.